Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the engine starter on that generation Chevy Equinox here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us guys, we'll explain where you can find them. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, information that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share guys that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So guys, the engine starter, fuses, relays, let's explain where you can find them on that Chevy Equinox, that generation Chevy Equinox. Quick advice from us guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know where all the hidden fuse boxes are located in that Chevy Equinox. That's why guys, we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. A video that can practically save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And what we guys need to do today, open the hood. Lucky for us, we're working easy to get to fuse box. It's located under the hood, facing the engine on the right side. That's the driver's side. That's the brake fluid reservoir. That's the fuse box. You have a clip here, clip there. Squish them together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, we need to check one fuse, one relay, but that's not all. Make sure to stay until the end. We want to cover some other things that can cause that as well. And the main engine starter fuse is fuse number 9. You see that fuse right here guys, that's the main engine starter fuse that you will need to check. It's a 30 fuse in our case for our specific model and year. And guys, the relay will be relay 67. They're next to each other. That fuse right here 9 and relay 67 that you will need to check. Now if you still have problems with the engine starter, we'll recommend to check the fuses and relays for the ignition switch and the engine computer. For any of you that do not know where they're located, we'll have the video on the channel that will teach you that. Next, if you want to see how to test engine starter, we'll have multiple videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that as well. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys interior fuse box, we want to show you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you are stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful and see you guys next time.